How to grow lumberjack beard style in an easy simple step. If you think it's a shame to not invest a single buck for grooming, then you are wrong. Not everyone has the time to groom themselves even they are a billionaire. Subscribe to our channel now to get your new fashionable style. So, stop worrying about everything, and know how you can have a glorious beard at zero cost. If I am going to start making a list, it will be huge. But I want to suggest a specific name from the list. That's lumberjack beard style. Have you heard about it before? Then don't worry, you'll get all of your answers in this video. What is lumberjack beard style? Lumberjack beard style is a unique classic style of Western America. People are from various professions are come across daily. Such an incident has happened a few decades back. What was that? There is a group of people who live their lives by cutting woods. Not only cutting, but the creativity regarding woods are often done by them. Those so-called carpenters, from a particular village in Western America, have a unique grooming style, such as the ducktail beard style. Now, what's making this style unique from others? The shape and the edges of the beards are deciding how much dashing it would be. And that makes the difference too. For the lumberjack beard style, it starts from cheekbones to the neckline. There is no need to have a good finishing between beard and mustache meeting point. The mustache must be thick enough to look comfortable with a beard. Lastly, the density of hair must be the same between the margins. How to grow the lumberjack beard style? As I promised you, you don't have to lend your money to make this beard. But you must have the basic necessary ingredients in your hand. What are those? Step 1. Work out and eat healthily. One survey was done on the lumberjack community. The main topic was the lumberjack beard style. Everyone in this world is surprised to see their beards. Do you know the more you work, the blood flow in vital spots will increase? Yes, that's their secret. These hard workers put all their effort into their curriculum with full potential. Even their facial muscles act simultaneously on their actions. Because of a good blood flow, they are having such a thick beard. Do a lot of physical work, especially facial massages. Don't have time? Okay, buy chewing gum and let your face muscles move on their own. Another excellent hack to grow such a thick beard is to eat healthily. What kind of food you must try? Beef, carrot and foods with vitamin C and vitamin E are very helpful. The lumberjacks usually eat this food in high contents. You can also try dry foods like nuts. The biotin in it will help to grow a healthy beard. Now, match the dots. On one hand, they are eating such healthy nutritional foods, and on other hand, they are working very hard daily. Such a good routine is making their beard thick, glorious, and long as well. Step 2. Turn your beard into lumberjack beard. In this step, you'll make your beard into a lumberjack beard. To make this happen, you need to grow a 1.5 inches, 3.81 centimeters, long beard at least. We expect that you have a razor or trimmer with you. Before starting, make sure you have scissors, comb and brush too. To make this lumberjack beard, you need to make a long beard first. As soon as it is thick, now you have to give it the shape. No balm, no beard oil, no beard shampoo required to do this. Just use water instead. Let's jump into the method section. First, take the comb and move through the beard several times. Make your beard lightly wet. As the hair roots become weak, now it's time to trim. Place your trimmer on the cheekbones from where the sideburns end. Now move it slowly in the direction of a mustache. Make sure you trim up to the end of the mustache. Be careful to mix the short and long hair properly. You can apply scissors to it. Now, it's time to take care of your neckline. In lumberjack beard, it plays a crucial role. Take your trimmer or razor and shave the extended hairs at your neckline. Subscribe to our channel now to get your new fashionable style. Though because of a long beard, it won't be in the notice. Step 3. Let your beard grow. Probably this is the only beard where you need to wait for growing a beard after shaving. Surprised? The thing is, when the first time we make our beard, there must be some places where hair doesn't pop up. In a lumberjack beard, you need to grow hair at every space on your face, certainly within the margin.